Welcome to our next class, students. Chapter number 16, number pattern. Chapter is very simple. So let's start with exercise 16.1. This is exercise 16.1. First question, find the first 10 square numbers and represent them in star pattern. First 10 square numbers. Look children, how to find out. 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4. 2 square means 2 multiplied by 2. 3 square, 3 multiplied by 3, 9. 4 square, 4 into 4, 16. And so on. So up to this value, total 10 square numbers I found. Look here, what are the first 10 square numbers? 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81 and 100. Now children, you are asked to arrange them in square pattern also. I'll give you one example. Rest of the pattern you will do yourself. I'll give you example of 49, how to arrange. Children, you all know 49 is 7 into 7. So what you have to do? 7 stars this side and 7 stars this side. Clear? So you have to arrange stars like this way. Same case if you have to arrange 100. 100 is square of 10. 10 into 10. In that case what you will do? 10 stars this side and 10 this side, and then you will fill the columns. Same way 25. 5 stars this side, 5 stars this side, and you will fill the column. So this way you will find out the answer. Clear? And you have to arrange all the numbers, first 10 square numbers in star pattern. So you have to complete this question yourself only. Second question, note the following pattern. Look at your books children. Look, second question, note the following pattern. 1 square is 1. 1 plus 3, next odd number it is, that is equal to 2 square. 2 square is what? 4. 3 plus 1 is also 4. Sum of first 3 odd numbers, 1, 3, 5. Total how many are there? That's equal to 3 square. See children, 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. And 3 square is also 9. 1, 3, 5, 7. Total 4 odd numbers are there, will be equal to 4 square. Same way this. Hence, obtain the sum of first 8 odd natural numbers. Children, if we are taking 5 odd numbers, that is equal to 5 square. And if we will take 8 odd natural numbers, what will be the sum? The answer will be, look here, first odd numbers, 8 odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. That will be equal to 8 square. You know, if we are taking 8 numbers, will be equal to 8 square, and the answer is 64. In second part, you are asked to find out the sum of first 18 odd numbers. So directly we can write that will be equal to 18 square, 324. Yes, exercise 16.2. Triangular numbers. In first exercise it was related to square numbers. Square number means which can be arranged in squares, meaning the number of stars this side should be equal to the number of stars this side. Now in order to find triangular numbers, children, this is the formula which you have to keep in mind, that is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. And in first question you are asked to find out, obtain the triangular number up to 60. You have to obtain the triangular numbers up to 60. Now I'll tell you how to find out. First value, when n is equal to 1. And what was our formula? It was n into n plus 1 by 2. Let's put the value. What n we have taken? 1. 1 bracket, what is the value of n? 1 plus 1, it was already written, upon 2. That will be equal to 1. 1 plus 1 multiply by 2 upon 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So the first triangular number is 1. Same way, when n is equal to 2, now replace n with 2. In place of n, we will write 2, then bracket. In place of n, we will write 2 plus 1 over 2. Children, you can see 2 and 2 will get cancelled. What is the answer? 2 plus 1, 3. This is the second triangular number. Then when n is equal to 3, put the value in place of n, will write 3. In place of n, will write 3 plus 1 over 2. That will become 3 multiply, bracket means multiply. 3 plus 1 is 4 over 2. This will get cancelled and the next number is 6. Same way, when n is 4, n is 4, put the value of n as 4. 4 into 4 plus 1 over 2, that will be 4. Multiply 4 plus 1 is 5 upon 2. Cancel it, the number is 10. When n is 5, 5 into 5 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 5 multiply 6 over 2. 6 and 2 will get cancelled and the next triangular number is 15. When n is 6, 6 into 6 plus 1 by 2 will become 6 multiply 7 over 2. It will get cancelled. Next number is 21. Similarly, when n is 7, you will find this number. When n is 8, we will get 36. When n is 9, after putting the value, you will get 45. When n is 10, we will get 55. When n is 11, children will get 66. But we were asked to find up to 60 only. So, we have to take up to 55. So, what are the triangular numbers obtained? 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, 28, 36, 45, 55. So, this way you can find out the triangular numbers. And they are asking up to 60. How many triangular numbers are there? Count. There are 10 triangular numbers up to 60. Children, second question. Find the 30th triangular number. 30th means n is equal to 30. Now you know the formula. Directly put the value. In place of n, what will write? 30 into n is what? 30 plus 1 divided by 2 will become 30 multiply by 31. Children, 30 and 2 can be cancelled. It will become 15. So the answer is 465 when you will multiply. So this is the 30th triangular number. Third question, construct two triangular and square pattern. Two triangular patterns and two square pattern. Children, first of all, I'll draw square pattern and we know the square numbers we already found. You can take any square number. I have taken 4 and 4 you know it is what? 2 multiplied by 2. Clear? So how to arrange it? 2 stars this side and 2 stars this side. Same way, another number I have taken square number 9 which is 3 multiply 3. So how to arrange? 3 stars this side, 3 stars this side and you can fill the columns. Now triangular pattern, that also we found up to so many triangular numbers we found. So I took first number as 3. How to arrange? 1, 2, 3. You can see this is a triangular pattern. Same way another number 6. Okay, this can also be arranged in triangular pattern. You can see 1 star, then 2 star and then 3 stars. Clear? Question number 4. Which number pattern is constructed when two consecutive triangular numbers are added? What is the question? When you will add two consecutive triangular numbers. Children, these are the triangular numbers which we already found in this question. And you are asked to take any two consecutive. Consecutive means next to, saath wala. Clear? So you can take any. You can take 3, 6 also. You can take 10, 15 also. 21 and 28 also. So try to select the small numbers which is easy for you to draw in which you can easily draw the pattern. So I took 3 and 6. Remember, you have to take the consecutive numbers. 3 and 6 I have taken. Let's see now. When two consecutive triangular numbers are added, 3 plus 6, what is obtained? 9. What kind of number is 9? It is a square number. So what will obtain? A square number, and you have to represent it in the star pattern that you already know how to represent 9. 3 stars this side, 3 stars this side, and you arrange it in the square pattern. Last question. In a square number pattern, the opposite corners are joined to form two triangular numbers. See children, in a square number pattern, the opposite corners are joined together to form two triangular numbers. This is a square pattern. Children, I have drawn 3 by 3 square pattern. If we join the opposite corner, what is formed here? This is a triangle. And if we join both the triangles, look here. This is also a triangle. Both the triangles are joined. And the question is, if the triangular number is 6. Triangular number is what? 6. Look here. Total how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Yes, once again students. Try to understand the question. If two triangular numbers are joined, this is a triangular number, it is given 6 you have to take. How many stars are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 stars in this triangle and 6 stars in this triangle. We have to join both the triangles. Then you can see this will become common. This side will become, it will come common in both the triangles. Clear? So one side will collapse with each other. Okay, and this kind of pattern is formed. So 6 triangular numbers this side, 6 triangular numbers this side, when they were attached, when you will attach them and you will join this vertex, this opposite corner you will join, what kind of number is obtained? Total how many stars are obtained? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So which kind of number is obtained? It is a square number. 16.3 exercise, only second question is there. Observe the pattern, students. 1 into 8 plus 1. You can see 8 is common. Okay. This side 1, then 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What will be the next step, students? I'll write here. You tell me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. After 5 what will come? 6. Multiply by 8 plus, here up to 5 it is written, what we will write here? We will write 6 is equal to this pattern 9, 9, 8, 9, 8, 7, 9, 8, 7, 6 in the decreasing order. So what will come here? 9, 8, 7, 6 and 4. Next step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 multiply by 8 plus 7, next step, then 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 5. These are the two steps. Same way in the next question you can observe second part. 1 into 8 is equal to 8, then 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. What will be the next step? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 multiply 8 is common in all is equal to, how many times 8 is there? 4 times, and here how many digits we have taken? 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 in the decreasing order. 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2 and then 1. Same way next step you will complete yourself. Children, just correct the value. By mistake I wrote 4 over here. So you can correct the values yourself. Yes students, you can note down test of this week. Try all these questions, clear, and you have to maintain your notebooks also. Maintain the notebooks properly and complete 16 chapter. Next week you will be given test of chapter number 16. Please note down the questions. Thank you.